Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this VIZ-PRO double-sided magnetic whiteboard. So I bought this so that I can write on it and then flip the screen to the other side and write on it. It does come with this little tray that you can put some markers in. It's very easy to flip. Once it's assembled, you're just going to unloosen these and then you can rotate it. The whiteboard is pretty nice to write on. Again, I like that it has this little tray here. And it is magnetic. So you can put magnetic things on here also. It does come with this little eraser, and I like that the eraser is magnetic, so you can put it where you want. Now, the other reason I got this is it's on wheels. So again, putting it together was a little tricky. These Allen screws, you got to put those in an impact gun. So get you like a number 4 Allen wrench that you can put in an impact gun. Those were pretty hard to drive in. But with an impact gun, it made it really simple. But again, the back side is exactly the same as the front. I can roll it around. I can put this at different angles. All I got to do, I like that this is a big grab knob. Loosen that. And then I can rotate this to different angles. Then just tighten it down. Or if I need to, I can do the complete flip. And then there's the other side. So that's the main reason I got it. Wheels, and it flips to the other side so I can have like a presentation with 2 different writings on it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.